Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to clean up errors in Excel. So in this example, I want to calculate average sales. I'll start off by dividing total sales by the quantity, and this gives me 97. I'm going to copy this formula down, highlighting the range of cells, and I'll press Ctrl D. So Ctrl D copies the formulas down. You observe that at points in this calculation, I get errors, specifically the diff error. This happens when you divide a number by 0. If you want to keep your sheet clean, you could wrap your formula in a function called IFERROR. So this is how the IFERROR works. In the IFERROR, you have value. Value represents your original formula. Now, when you bring a comma, you are going to put in what you want the formula to show if it results in an error. So your original formula is here, but if it results in an error, you could show 0 instead, or you could show a space or blank. So in Excel, when you put a double quote, it means blank. Or you could even put a text. But we typically prefer a space. So when we get an error, we are going to get a space instead of the error. So if error, then give me a blank space. So I'm going to enter and then copy this down again. So now you observe that for all calculations that will result in an error, I get blank space. So use this to clean up your worksheets if you have errors going through. But sometimes errors could be alerting you to something you've done wrong. So make sure the formula is correct and you can run an if error around it. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to numbers on the broadcast list on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.